Nvidia, saying that in the most recent quarter, it reported EPS of $1.05 per share. I'm going to get you the comparison on that. On the revenue side, $46.74 billion in revenue, a 56% jump, and relatively in line with estimates. Data center revenue, $41.1 billion, up 56%, in line with estimates. Gaming revenue, if you care, 4.3%, up 49%, just slightly above what the street was looking for. Your adjusted gross margins coming in at about 73%, 72.7% to be precise here. And free cash flow in the quarter, $13.45 billion here. And here's your forecast. The company says that for the current quarter, Caroline, it sees revenue of $54 billion plus or minus 2%. The street was looking for $53.46 billion. So if you take that plus or minus 2% here, maybe a slight disappointment.
There were no H20 sales to China-based customers in the second quarter, is what we go to in the statement. Nvidia benefited from a $180 million release of previously reserved H20 inventory from approximately $650 million in unrestricted H20 sales to a customer outside of China. So interestingly, that was taking up outside of China, because remember, for most of the quarter, they were unable to ship to the country. They're talking in the statement about Blackwell is the AI platform that the world has been waiting for, delivering on exceptional generation and leap. The production of Blackwell Ultra is where he's talking about that ramp of full speed. How much is that bringing in more broadly? But really, this is an overall, he says, the AI race is on, and Blackwell is a platform at its center. The question is, will they make a Blackwell architecture for China? And what would sales look like there?
That is going to be a big part of the question. We should also point out the company is announcing a $60 billion share buyback, but that's not doing a whole lot here to drag the shares out of the red.